Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how you can change the fonts in your Figma file so you can work on it correctly and customize it based on what you want for your project. In this case, the example is enter, but we're going to switch to Poppins as an example. So we need to go to local variables. Click outside the canvas, click here and go to the typography and family section. Here we have two families, one for headings and one for body text. We're going to change both to the same font, but you can make them different. In this case, we're using Poppins as a reference. It's important to also change them in other instances so you can see the update across all fonts. Let's update it here too. It might take a bit longer because there are a lot of pages that need updating. We need to do this across different versions as it also needs updating on the tablet and mobile versions. Once that's done, all the fonts are updated and we can check it, for example, by going to the hero page. And if we go to any layout we have, you'll notice the font is now correct. In this case, it's Poppins. Likewise, in the style guide, we can see that everything has been updated to the Poppins font. This way, you'll be able to update any of the fonts, right? And besides this, we can also update, for instance, the colors. So let's go to colors, and here we have all of them, right? In this case, I'm using ACSS, Automatic CSS, as a reference, but you can work the same way with Core Framework. It works the same in the Figma file. Here we have the primary color, and to update it, I'm going to use this as my reference for the primary color. I have it here, and I just need to update the whole file this way. Similarly, we need to remove from our website the colors that come from ultralight, light, side light, and each one of these, right? This way, everything will be updated in our file. And that would be all.